Describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. Part 2. I remember it was several months ago. One day, I played games on my computer to kill time after I finished my homework. Suddenly, the computer screen turned blue. At that time, it was making a horrible grinding noise. I was so afraid that I turned off the computer at once. I asked my father for help. My father pressed the power button and tried to restart the computer several times. Unfortunately, the computer failed to work. My father didn't know what to do, so I called my friend Peter, who was good at computer technology. After he came, he had a careful check on my computer. Several minutes later, he said that there was something malfunctioning inside. He searched on his mobile phone for some information. Then it took him about 2 hours to repair it. To my surprise, my computer worked again. I felt grateful for his help. At the same time, I admired him very much as he fixed it in such a short time. I asked Peter why he could repair computers. He said there were some online courses teaching people how to repair electronic devices. He was interested in IT skills, so he attended the courses and taught himself. I plan to take the lessons too. Maybe next time I could repair my computer if it refused to work again.